What on earth does a motorcycle angel eye look like, which can integrate multiple lighting functions and has super performance? The MK3-R and MK3-S motorcycle angel eyes are high-quality accessories carefully crafted for motorcycle enthusiasts, boasting numerous eye-catching highlights. Both are made of carefully selected aluminum materials, ingeniously integrating multiple functions. They cover features such as dual-color high and low beams, daytime running lights, turn signals, and devil eyes, meeting your usage needs in various scenarios. With a dual-color 6+6 core design, the lamp beads are plump and equipped with large chips, making them fearless of the darkness and illuminating every stretch of your ride. In terms of brightness, they perform outstandingly. Featuring an integrated high and low beam design, when all the lights are on, the power is 40 watts, the combined high and low beam power is 35 watts, the devil eyes consume 12 watts, and the low beam power is 20 watts. The brightness is increased by 300%. The lighting effect is clear and sharp, with uniform light transmission, which greatly enhances the safety of driving. The installation is extremely convenient. Even if you're not a professional, you can easily complete the installation. The heat dissipation design is also excellent. With fin-shaped high-efficiency heat dissipation, it can conduct heat quickly, thus extending the product's service life. It's worth mentioning that they adopt an IP67 grade waterproof design. You don't have to worry about rainwater getting into the lights on rainy days. Whether it's scorching sun or stormy weather, they can easily handle all kinds of weather conditions, being stable and reliable.